my name is Chirag. So today we are going to show you how we can do our DB testing, database testing by using Excel. So what we have to, we just write our test script on Excel, and then we do our database testing. So in this framework you already seen how we can use our Excel to do our API testing. So sometimes we need to do API testing to verify the DB database. So in post request we usually create a data, and that data is stored in database, and then we can verify whether that data which is created correctly or not. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can do a database testing by using this low-code API framework. So in this I already created a test script. So what I'm doing here, first I'm creating a table, second I am inserting the data in that table, then I verify the code. So for that you can see why you already know to use this framework. We only just write the column name and write the data, write the step which we need to perform. So this is the request content. I already discussed this in previous video. So what this the request which we are going to send through this Excel. So first what I'm going to, here I'm write the create DB create table query, and here my table contains employee name which is in integer, first name varchar, last name and gender. Okay, then so what type of this request? So this you can see this action is DDL. So by using DDL we can create our table. Okay, then we have a insert uh, query. Here I'm inserting data, so you can see I put an insert query here in Excel, and I'm inserting one Chirag Singh and male. Okay, so what kind of action I'm performing here? I'm performing a insert. You can see a insert action I'm performing here, and after that I'm verifying this data which is correctly is stored in DB or not. So in also in this you can see I am just give a select query here, and for this CSV son I already discussed. In this we can give a column name and data. Okay, so my column name, employee name, it is an integer type, so I put I here, one, first name is Chirag, last name is Singh, and gender is a male. So I give this column, and this is the data which I need to verify. So basically in real world what we have, we while doing API testing we mostly do a verification, because in post we created the data, and we have to verify whether the data is correctly stored in DB or not. So we can use this verify. So action is verify. You can see the action is verify. So in this way we can verify the data. For in this test script I'm going to show you create table, insert data. So if you want to use this framework for DB testing, so you can use this framework in this way. So I just show you for a demo purpose. Okay, so this is for the test script. Right now the thing that where we have to implement our or configure our DB. So this is the workflow.yaml file. This is also I already discussed in my previous video. So how to use this YAML file in this video, where I have discussed a multi-environment, how we can run our sim test API test script in multiple environments. So I already discussed all these things. So here you can see this all the DB configuration. This is the driver, this is the username of DB, password, and where I am storing my data. Okay, so demo purpose I am using I am using HSQLDB, so HyperSQLDB for this. Okay, so in this you can see we give the environment where we need to store our files, feature file, because we generated a feature file, by using Excel, and this is the Excel file which I am discuss to you. Okay, so this is the Excel file. So this is the way how we can run. So this is, we can just invoke this virtual and test planner executor dot invoke and pass my YAML file. So let me save this file first, and then I will run and we will see the result. Okay, so you can see by using this framework we can easily convert our DB test cases to feature file. We just give our test steps on Excel. By using that Excel, we converted our feature files, right? So this is the way how we can do a testing. So you can see this test has been passed. If I see the test has been passed. Okay, so let me show you the data. So let me open, where is that? Let me, so here is my run manager showing. So I open this. So I'm just show you how where this data has been stored and how we can verify. So I'm using this standard alone. Now I give the path. So my path is on this YAML file. So I just copy this path here and put here. Okay, and now press OK. So you can see we have a employees 9 table. So what I have created a employees 9 table. Okay, and here I inserted a Chirag Singh mail. So let me open this and put a select query and execute this query, and you can see one data has been stored here through this Excel file. So now I'm going to show you a feature file. So let me refresh a target, because I store all the my feature file, all the files which has been integrated by this framework under one. So let me first open my feature file. So you can see this is the feature file, and let me maximize it. So here what we are doing, here we are creating first table, then we are inserting our data, then we are verifying the data. So all these steps which we have put on this Excel has been created on this feature file. So you can see how easily we can do a database testing by using this framework. Now let me show the report as well. So let me open this report, and you can see all steps has been passed. Okay, so let me open this, and here are two tags, two steps. So first we are creating the R table, and second steps we are inserting data and we are verifying the data. So you can see in this way we can use this framework to do a DB testing. So basically we can use this framework in API testing. We can use